Good evening, class.
Good evening.
Today I'm bringing for you a very interesting topic, which is will you excited to know about it?
Yes.
So today's topic is power of education. Do you know power of education? Is the power of education is the that weapon we can achieve everything which is we want in our life. Everything we can achieve in our life by education. Education is the foundation of the building a career. As we know, in the in era, everyone person want to become a want to live a luxurious life, but they can't. Why? Because of education. They have no education. That person I always think about how I live in a luxurious life, but if person have education that can achieve their goals, therefore they earn money, lots of money for living a luxurious life. And in another side, education learn us how to make that things. As we know, we are using a lots of things in our daily life, like a pen, chair, clothes, and all things. With how it's made by how it's made. It's made by education. If there is no education, no parameters, no parameters, centimeters is like a alphabets, math, and Hindi, and all those all subjects. So how the things is made how this things is made. So it's made by the education. We think that this time we are using someone made it, so we are using now. That means it's a totally connect with the education. So thank you all about this topic.
So, ma'am, I have a question for you. What is the differences between an uneducated person and an educated person?
Very good question. The person wants to answer this question. Yes, the biggest differences between the educated person and uneducated person. It's a simple to justify that the education person look their personality, their body language, their working as another way in the smart working. As we know, as an uneducated person, everyone any person can justify that person he is illiterate. How? Because of their language, their body language,
Yes.
and behavior. So it's very easy to.
What do you think, girls' education important or not?
Yes, girls' education is most important because in the society of boys, he is educated, he nourishes their family and works so hard. But in the other side, if girls is educated, she will educate their next generation, and both family, like in-laws family and her own family. So there is the biggest differences between the boys is educated and girls is educated. Boys educated only think their own self, but girls is educated, she thinks for all the society, all the family members, and all those things. We see in the school the lots of teachers are girls. Why? Because of they have very polite behavior, sense of humor. Therefore, the school owners always prefer to the girls teachers.
So, if the girls' education is important, so why the parents are discriminating between the boys' education, girl education?
If the parents discrimination between the girls and boys, this is that problem. In our society, there is no discrimination. Our government always support to the girls, beti bachao, beti padhao. Why? Because of our government always support to the girls. Therefore, in the government school, in our society, a lots of government school and private school also. So if the person that parents do the discrimination between the girls and boys, that is very wrong, as per my.
Ma'am, at what age a person starting gaining knowledge?
I think there is no foundation of age. Like I saw in, I was in a news, the 67 years old man, he awarded by the prime minister because of math exam. He topped the math exam in a 12th class. So that means it's not a foundation of the age. We can learn any age, and we can learn everything. Everything. You know, age is a number. There is no foundation. I am 40 plus, I cannot do this. I am 60 plus, I cannot do this. No, it's not like that. And in the other side, in our house, in our family, other small child, he learns everything from their parents, from their sister, cousins. So there is no foundation of age. They copy their family members. And when she or he went in the school, he learned from their teachers, and she or he copied their teachers, principals. So we can learn everything in any age.
How can education change a person's life?
A very good question. Yes, a person education can change a person's life very easily. When a child go to their school, he learn each and everything in a school, and their parents always focus on him, so he will become a good person. So with the help of education, if that child not go to school and not their parents focus on him, how much percent chances he will become something in their life? No. So there is a big help of education, he will be something in their life.